Yeah, hello, amazing customers. By the grace of God, we are able to complete this contract here in Kumasi, Kochi, and I'm here today to give you an update. Let's go. Yeah, so this be the area, as you can see. You see. So let's go. So the history about this contract be say the customer coming for the beginning. They are Steven. I want you to do a job that I do for a customer in Kumasi Abrepo. So boss, everything you want, I will do it for you. Good morning. Everything you want, I will do it for you. You see. So after you discuss about the contract, so Steven, I want you to put only the gray color for the side. You see, the side and the other side for the building for me. You see, and the boss going to be the Miss colors. Also, boss, as you said, no, it is good. I will do the same thing for you because what you are saying is so beautiful. It's going to look beautiful at the end of the day and even perfect at the end of the day. So that be why I got the idea to involve the gray more than the red colors. You understand me? So as for the beginning of the contract, we have designed the side. You see, the side with only the gray color. You see, if you could see like this side, you see, if you could see like this side and the other side be the same thing. You see, be the same thing. You see, these gray stones, it be me rough, be the same thing. You see, you see, both are the same thing. Both are really the same thing. So nice and beautiful as you can see. You see, so let's come closer. Let me show you something. You see, so perfect and beautiful. I know as you are watching right now, maybe you may ask yourself a question. You say, maybe why the stones no come to the window enough. You see, no. If you come here now, it's a mistake. You see, because they are going to fix a window glass here. You see, a window glass here. So the window glass, they have to get a little space. You see, so that the flame, it will go all around. You see, but if you're happy that the stones you lay it up to the window you move, when the window glass then come, they are going to chisel your stones. You see, so because of those problems, that will leave a little space. You see, a little space, so that when they come plaster, they will plaster that tian place so that when the window glass come now, they will fix the thing without not damaging the natural stones. You understand me? So nice and beautiful as you can see. You see, so as for this contract, we have involved a 10 truck of a natural stone that from Takwa. You see, that from Takwa. So I was thinking about then I involved the gray one 6 or 7 or so, and the red one like 4. Yeah, one of them. You see, because I made the gray one plenty more than the red one because of the customer. So Steven, I want you to put only the gray on the side and the side for me. After you are there with you put only the Miss Scarlet and the box inside for me. You understand me? You see, so nice and beautiful. You see, this one day, if the customer do paint the coping, everything, that be where you are going to see that a natural stones change your house destiny. You see, just look at how the stones looking so nice and beautiful. You see, we just tell us what you want. Just tell us, oh Steven, I want this color from you. I want the thing to look like this, and I will do the same thing for you, so that when you see it, you make happy for your heart inside. You see, so that you make happy for your heart inside. So nice and beautiful, as you can see. You see. You see. Yeah, boss. I bet the back here. I wish like you put the flat stone for the back here. You see. If like the flat stone can the back here now, there will not going to be a paint, nothing anymore. It's going to be a forever thing. So if uh, you lay only the flat stone for the back here now, that will be so helpful. You see. And one day also, one day under the building, you see, because of the dampness also. Yeah, you see. Yeah, so I think I should talk about the stone price also. So we supply this stone to Kumasi, 3,000 Ghana cedi per Kia truck, you see. So the 10 Kia cost this customer 30,000 Ghana cedis. For the stone material, and the stone cutters also take 1,005 Ghana cedis each. So the 10 is 15,000 Ghana cedis. So the stone cutting and the stone cutting and the stone material total will be 45,000 Ghana cedis. 45,000 Ghana cedis. You see, I always say that a natural stones increase the value of your building natural way. You see this building. This in after the paint everything, that be where you are going to see that the attention can fall on the stones. You see. You see, very neat one. So we are here in Kumasi, Kochi. Kumasi, Kochi. Yeah. Hush. Very neat one, you see. And also, if you build your house in Ghana here and your house is not straight, give us a call. We can straight them with a natural stone. Trust me. You see, you have on a level to straight down. You see, you see. You have on a level to straight down. Nice one for you. You see. So whatever it is, give us a call. Our service is available across the country. So whatever you find yourself, just give us a call. Our service is available across the country. As you can see, the name is Stepping Stone Design. Anything that concerns natural stone concerns Stepping Stone Design, you see. So the work we have done. So this one, if they plaster everything, then paint them, you have to come again to wash the stones. This is not the finishing job that you are seeing right now. This is after installation, and there must be a washing. Washings come when they plaster the rest of the place, then paint it. You come and wash it once and for all. Bye bye. And our service is available across the country. The name is Stepping Stone Design. Bye bye.